Hello friends, today I am discuss about most important question for B.Ed exam if you do B.Ed anywhere like Bihar, UP, MP, Haryana and any another state, then it is most important question for exam point of view. So let's start without wasting of time. Question is discuss in detail about basis of curriculum, or question is what are various bases of curriculum, या क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय बेसिस ऑफ करिकुलम, एक्सप्लेन इन डिटेल। तो अब देखेंगे बेसिस ऑफ करिकुलम। देयर आर सर्टेन फोर्सेस दैट प्रोवाइड अ बैकग्राउंड ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन अपॉन विच द करिकुलम डेवलपर्स डिपेंड टू मेक फ्यूचर डिसीजन। दिज में इंक्लूड philosophical foundation which studies of nature and value, psychological foundation are studies of learners and the learning theory, and sociological and cultural foundation which are studies of life. These foundational aspects are as follows. First, philosophical. This aspect is based on the philosophy of the nation. It aims at all-round development of the individual. सर्वांगीण विकास के बारे में यहाँ पे बताया गया है. It reflects the ideals and aspiration of the people and inculcates the desired ideals of life in the students. It helps in the development of proper philosophy of life and enables the learners to learn the desirable cultural values, intellectual virtues, social norms, and moral doctrine. It helps in the development of the personal and national character. Sociological. These aspects are based on the core values and needs of the Indian society and changing values of the people. It is based on the demands of the modern society and good family values and ways of living, democratic temper of the society, faiths, beliefs, and the attitude of the people, cooperation, media explosion, population explosion, regional and national imbalances, and economic efficiency of the nation. Next point is psychological. Psychological foundation is an important part of philosophy. It is based on the interest of the learner, conditions facilitating optimum learning and child-centered curriculum. Okay. Next point is political. A number of pressure exists which under the curriculum development process happens, which may be categorized as political. Politics affect curriculum development in numerous ways. Cultural and social change and expectations of the school can affect the implementation of the curriculum. However, this includes major changes to society such as unemployment patterns, social values, economic growth, and family relationship, parental, employer, and community expectations of school. This is also affected by the educational requirement and challenge. This system includes systemic influences such as policy, requirements, inquiry reports, external examination, major curriculum. projects and significant educational research. Economic, it influences curriculum development. Curriculum developed for in-house training in corporations focuses on educating employees for promotion that bring better returns in profit. Nation financing education expect an economic return from educated student contributing to the country is economy with global competition abilities in technical field. Okay, next. Thank you friends. Hope you will learn something new. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe.